Done. So, what are the things that we had seen yesterday? So, the things which we had seen yesterday are, we had seen about why audience are going for FB, why business are going for Facebook advertisement, for FB ads. Then we had seen what are the elements that FB is providing from the business perspective. Okay, that is we had seen the business manager console settings or business manager. Then we had seen how the Facebook ad structure has been, structurized inside the Facebook Ads Manager console. Okay, and then rest of the things we had seen, like how to add a person to the business and how to add a Facebook's ad account to the business console, and how to have the access for the Facebook ads from the other person, and how the payment works when we have a payment system inside the business manager. So those are the things that we had seen, and apart from that we had explored about what are the things that will be there in the ads manager campaign, what are the things that we will be creating inside the ad groups. I'm sorry, the ad groups will be used in Google ads, in Facebook advertisement we call it as ad sets. So what are the things that we can able to configure in ad sets, and then we had seen how we can able to create the Facebook advertisement through Facebook ads. So we had seen campaign, and we had seen EFP ad sets, and then we had seen ads. Okay, so these are the three things we had seen yesterday. Okay, so let me to write the same. That's it. Then we have ads. uh Hi Vinay. Welcome. It it's fine, Vinay. It's fine, not a problem. So right now, we are discussing only about the things which we had seen yesterday. So we had seen why the business is going for Facebook ads, and what are the things that are inside the business manager, and what is there inside the Facebook ads manager, and what are the things inside the campaign configurations, and what are the things that we had configured in ad sets, and how to create a Facebook ad. So these are the things that we had discussed yesterday. And right now, today what we are going to see is we are going to explore about how to create a campaign. I mean, how to create a new Facebook advertisement in the Facebook campaign. And once it is done, we are going to explore the same practically in your system by creating a Facebook ad account. Okay, so this is what we are going to plan. This is what the things we had planned for today. Okay, and mm, okay, so I believe that we'll be having enough amount of time to create a Facebook ad account, as well as we'll be having enough time to create a Facebook ads. Okay, so when we are going to create a Facebook ad, we require a image of size 8080 into 8080. A minimum, a single image that is nothing but a square image. Okay, it's a square image which is having a higher resolution, more than 1000. We can able to clip it to 1080 into 1080. Okay, so a single image is required in order to have a experiment in order to have an experimental purpose with Facebook advertisement. Okay, suppose if you have any of your images for your businesses, just have some square based images and keep it ready, and then so that we can able to start the Facebook advertisement, so that we have to upload the image and we can able to create some advertisements. All right, that's great. So let me to explain you how to create an ad from my console primarily, then we will explore how to create it from your side. Okay, so for that I'm going to go for the Facebook ads manager. Okay, so you can find the link here. So this is the place through which we will be logging into the Facebook Ads Manager. So here I can able to see two things. One is go to Ads Manager. Else, there is an option for create an ad. But anyway, even if we require to create an advertisement, we should have a Ads Manager. So let me to go back and let me to go to Ads Manager. Okay, I had clicked the go to Ads Manager option, and it will directly take to my account. Okay, and it will directly take it to my ad account. Similarly, the same thing will happen for you as well. Okay, if there is any hiccups, we will be solving those issues while we are going to do it practically. Okay, so right now I'm into the Facebook ads account. Okay, I'm into the Facebook ad account, Facebook ads manager. So in this Facebook ads manager, I have the ad account under the name which is Malarvili. Okay, so this is the account name I have for the Facebook ads. Since I had logged in into the username as Malar, and this is a Malar username Malar's ad account. Okay, primary account. That's a personal ad account. Okay, so I'm going to click this Malarvili. Okay, that's great. So right now I'm into the ads, ads manager console. Okay, so we are going to create a new ad. So we will be seeing all these as a case study later on. So right now, in order to create a new advertisement, I will be going to the create option, the button which is mentioned as create. Then I'm going to create a new campaign. Okay, the first step which I'm going to choose here is I'm going to choose I have multiple options here. I can choose any of the element, but I'm going to choose the one element which is going to be helpful for any business. So that is the traffic consideration. So the traffic is nothing but we will be creating advertisement in Facebook. Something like you can consider a sponsored advertisement, which you might seen in Facebook pages when you had browsed in groups. You might seen some images mentioned as sponsored. When someone clicks the book now option, learn more option, or visit website option, it will take them to the website whom the advertisement is running on. Okay, for whom the advertisement is running on. Okay, so that is what I'm going to create right now. I'm going to create the traffic advertisement. So if I choose this option, um, I will be having the option to create an advertisement. So once a person clicks the particular advertisement, they will be redirected to the website of the business that I'm running on. Okay, so let us see how that works. So in this campaign name, I'm going to give the campaign name as, let me to give it as website traffic. Website traffic. Done. Let me to give the name as DMC. Since my account, I had given the website name as website traffic and the campaign name as DMC. Okay. Then what we have here, the create A/B test is not required. It will take something like it will take a it will consume a lot of time while we are going to use this A and B testing. We can't able to make some changes while the experiment is going on. So those things were there. So it is just primarily it is used for experimental purpose, so not required immediately. So we will skip this process. Then we will come to the campaign budget optimization. Okay, so we have the option to whether to enable the campaign budget or not to enable the campaign budget. Okay, so right now we will right now we will see how to create a campaign without a campaign budget optimization. Okay, because we have a lot of things to be configured yet, we will skip this part of campaign budget optimization currently. Okay, but still for your learning process, let me to explain what are the things inside. So one thing is inside the campaign budget, I have two options. One is budget, daily budget, and the other one is lifetime budget. Okay, so daily budget in the sense I'm going to give the instruction to Facebook that every day I'm ready to spend 1,000 rupees. Okay, so if it is 10 days, 10,000 rupees I'm ready to spend. This is what the instruction I'm giving to Facebook. Suppose instead if I choose this lifetime budget, so what I'm going to give, I'm going to give the option as 2,000. or something like, it's fine, 2000, 2000 will do. Or we can use it as 2000. If I had given this lifetime budget as 2000 and I had chosen a period of 10 days. Okay, so I had chosen a period of 10 days. I had given the lifetime budget of 2000. So by this, I'm giving the instruction that Facebook, please take 2000 and not more than 2000 at any case. Okay, so by this option providing a value, we can ensure that the value will not cross beyond that limit for this particular campaign. And one more thing is, when we choose this lifetime budget, this 2000, it will be taken in the same day, or the same day itself, or it might be taken in a week. It might be taken in a 2 3 days. We will not have any control over how much money it has to be consumed for each and every day. So that is what, when it comes to the lifetime budget. Okay. Similarly, there is one more thing is, suppose for an example, we have a advertisement which is planned only to be running in the morning time, and from the evening of 10 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock, I do not want to run the advertisement, because I feel that they will be sleeping, or might be the potential audience might not be there. So I do not want to run that for the particular time schedule. Or for an example, I'm having a restaurant. I have audience only from the time of 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So I want to run the campaign only from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, not on any other time. So if you want to schedule a campaign based on timing, based on days, like Sunday I don't want, I want to only on Monday. So if you require some configurations based on time schedule, then you have to choose this lifetime budget. Hope you understand. So if you choose the daily budget, you cannot able to configure, uh, the time scheduler. Okay, so if it is a daily budget, you will not have any control. The campaign will definitely run throughout the day, that is 24 hours. You can't able to configure for a particular duration if you choose this daily budget. Okay, so if you want to go for a time scheduling purpose, then you have to go for the lifetime budget. Okay, all right, that's great. That. So let me to switch off this campaign budget optimization at this point, and I'm going to continue. So what we had did in this campaign, one is we had chosen the objective as traffic. Then we had went to the campaign name and we had created a campaign name. Then we had switched off the campaign budget optimization, and then we had went for the continue. Before going for the continue, well, let us do one step, in order to not make any error or something, so that our amount will not be detected. So we will use this campaign spend limit. Okay, even though it is optional, we will use a campaign spend limit. So this spend limit, it has a limit that minimum has to be 5000. Okay, so let me to give the campaign limit as 10,000. Okay. Similarly, we can able to set this spending limit in the payment settings as well, in the payment settings of Ads Manager as well. But it is good to create it in the campaign level. Okay. So right now I had given a campaign spending limit to 10,000. Okay. So that it will not take anything more than that. Right now I'm going to go for the continue option. Okay, so what are the options that I have here? Okay, so one is I'm going to give a ad set name. So let me to give the ad set name. So I usually give the ad set name something relevant to the configurations that I'm going to do it in the ad set name. For an example, right now I'm going to create an advertisement for the audience. For an example, I'm going to target the audience who are interested in digital market, who are interested in a small businesses, small SME, etc. Okay, so you can create it for your business. Right now I'm going to create it for my business, since it's a account which has been created in my account. So ad set name, I'm going to provide it as I'm going to provide it as website traffic. Website traffic, I'm going to write it as write it in a short name, website traffic underscore, or might be hyphen, whichever is comfortable. And then I'm going to provide it as small business. And then I'm going to give the age category from 25 to 45. Then I think this is good enough. Anyway, I will let me to add one more thing, detailed targeting on. Okay, I will tell you what is detailed targeting. Okay, done. So these are the things which I had given the ad set name. You can give anything. That's not a problem. I use it for identifying while I'm going to read the title itself. So that's why I had given this this name for the ad set name. So right now, what are the traffic options that I have? I can able to redirect the people who clicks the advertisement to website or to the app download or to the Facebook Messenger or to the WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, so that means when someone clicks, they can able to their message will directly come and land in my WhatsApp account, WhatsApp number. But the problem is currently the WhatsApp is in beta, so we could not able to create it. Ads that direct to WhatsApp can be created after several weeks of following our policies. So our policies are several weeks or something. These are just blah blah from Facebook. Right now we can't able to use the WhatsApp. So that's the story. Okay. So let us create a traffic for our website. I had chosen the website option. Okay. Once I had chosen the website option, by default, I will be seeing what is the audience size, total amount of audience that I can able to reach by creating this campaign. The default location will be taken as India, and it will be showing all the details. Like for an example, it is showing a total potential of some 320,000,000 people we can able to reach. So estimated daily results, what we can able to get, as daily, we can able to reach up to 21,000 people every day, daily. And every day I can able to click something around 82 to 236 link clicks. So that means every day if I want a traffic of 200 visits to my website, absolutely possible. Okay, so this is what the data which has been shown here. While we are going to while we are going to have a configuration in the audience segment, this audience size and this daily estimated daily results will be having a change in number. Okay, let us see that as well. So I had chosen the website option here in the traffic part. Okay, after scrolling down, this is the place where we are going to configure the audience. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you a brief introduction about audience, and then we will be seeing the audience and targeting options separately in the next class. So in this audience, I have two options. One is create new audience, one is use saved audience. If I already have saved some of the audience, those data will be available here that I can able to choose it from the available option. If it is not there, then I can create a new create audience segment for my business. Okay, so this custom audience, leave it for now. I will be explaining you these details, might be later. Right now it will be making you a tough job. Okay, let us leave this custom audience at this point. Let us come to the next section. The next section is locations, age, gender, detail targeting, languages. So these are the options which are available for targeting the audience. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the location part, and in this location, instead of India, I'm going to give a narrow down the city part, or I'm going to give a narrow down state part. Okay, so I have the option whether I want to create an advertisement only for the people who are living in that location, or who had recently in that location, or people who are traveling in this location, or people who are living or recently they are in that location. So these are the options that I have while I'm going to target. Okay, so right now, I'm going to target the audience of small businesses which are there in a particular location. So I'm going to use the option which is people living in this location, people living in this location. Okay, so then I'm going to use the option, I'm going to give the location here. So right now I'm going to give the location Bengaluru. Okay, so here I have the Bangalore place and Bangalore city and place, airport place and address and etc. So among this, I'm going to choose the Bangalore city so that I want the audience to be targeted for the complete Bangalore. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so I had chosen the Bangalore option, and from there I can able to target only the current city or might be with a radius. Okay, it's not only for the current city. We can able to configure from a particular location, even something like a shop. From that shop, I can able to configure whether I require this advertisement to be running in only 5 kilometers, in only 4 kilometers. Those data were also possible. Okay, so let me to show you an example. Right now I'm going to give a narrowed down location in Bangalore. So I'm going to give a location which is in Bangalore, and that location will be Madiwala. So Madiwala is a place in Bangalore, so it is not available here. It is available in the below. So I have a Madiwala Market Road here. Okay, else I can able to give Madiwala Old Madiwala, Bangalore. So this is the place that I had received. So similarly, there are a lot of places so you can directly configure. For an example, here we have the Fab Hotel Plaza Heights, Madiwala, Bangalore. Okay, so this is a place in Madiwala. So I'm going to choose this place. So right now I'm at the exact location of uh, okay. Anyway, so I'm going to view where's the exact place that I'm targeting for. Okay, so this is the place of Madiwala, and this is the place where the Fab Hotel exists. From this Fab Hotel, I'm going to give something like 2 miles, so which is equal to approximately something like 3 kilometers. I'm running a restaurant. I want orders only from this location, only from the 3 kilometers. So I had given 2 miles. Okay, I had given 2 miles. Now I'm going to check out what is the total audience segment that I can able to reach. I can able to reach a possible audience of 940,000 people, and then every day I can able to approximately get 15,000 reach, and every day I can able to get a total number of clicks for 78 to 224. Okay, that means approximately 100. Okay, so this is what I can able to get. So after choosing this location, I'm going to choose the age category. So age I had chosen from the age of 25. Okay, I had told it is a restaurant. It is fine. I'm going to target the businesses. Okay. So 25 to 45 is the age category that I'm targeting. So gender for me, currently I had chosen all gender. And then what we have here is, okay, so what we have here is, detailed targeting. So detailed targeting is the one option through which, Facebook will automatically choose some more audience beyond the options that we had chosen, which the Facebook considers they are some potential audience for us. So if we want to enable that option, we can choose this detailed targeting option. Okay, I had chosen the edit option, and I had given the option here, reach people beyond your detailed targeting selections when it's likely to improve performance. So I had chosen this element. So after choosing this element, I had I have a potential reach of 610,000 people. That means some 10,000 people additionally that Google can able to offer me from this detailed targeting expansion. So if it is if you are a beginner, you can use this option so that we can have expanded leads beyond the targets that we had chosen. Okay, all right. So after this detailed targeting, okay. So while I'm going to choose this detailed targeting, I'm going to give the interest that people who are looking for. So since I'm looking for some small business. Okay, I'm going to target the Facebook admins of a small business. So I had chosen the option which is Facebook page admins, business page admins. That would be much better. And I'm going to choose the Facebook page admins as well. Right, done. So apart from this, I'm going to add some more people. So I'm going to write it as business owners small business owners. Okay, and then I'm going to write it as SME. Okay, and then I'm going to write it as CEO, but I require some small business CEO. So that can be using the narrow option. We can do that, but right now it'll be making you complex to understand everything. So I had given this CEO, Chief Executive Officer, right? So this is what the detail that I had chosen now. Okay, and then from here I'm going to move on to the next option. Languages, let that to be all. Okay, so I have an option to save this audience. Okay, let me to check it out if it is possible. Let me to create this advertisement without saving it, because I may not be using it anyway. So if you require, you will be usually required. So save this audience. Just give this save this audience save this audience option and enter the name of the audience. That's all. It's done. Okay, done. Next, what we have is the placement section. So placements, there are two options. One is automatic placements, and then it's a manual placements. So what is the difference between automatic and manual placements? So automatic placements, in order to get the maximized amount of budget spent, Facebook will deliver its advertisement across all the possible placements that it can able to do. Facebook, Instagram, some of the networks of Facebook newsfeed, and etc. Suppose if we want to limit only to few of the segments, we will let us choose the manual placement option. So once we chosen the manual placement option, we will be having a lot of options like what are the devices, whether it is a mobile device, tablet, or desktop, or Facebook, audience network, or Instagram, or Messenger. Where do we require to choose? What are the options that we do not want? So all the options will be available with us, so we can able to choose to the locations only where we require the advertisement to be running. Okay, so right now I'm going to use the automatic placement option. Then after, I'm going to the budgeting and schedule option. Okay, so in this budgeting and schedule option, the first option is optimization for ad delivery. So what the Facebook has to consider for optimizing. Suppose if I had chosen the link clicks, whenever some person had clicked the link in our advertisement, those are for the those are clicks will be considered as highly important or effective, and Facebook will try to provide as much as people who are interested in clicking the advertisement. Okay, so this is for the optimization for ad delivery. Okay, so right now, apart from this ad delivery, link clicks, I have the options of landing page views, and then impressions, and then daily unique reach. Suppose if I give this impression option, Facebook will try to deliver the advertisement for as much impressions as possible. Like it will try to produce as much impressions as possible, and from there, the rest of the things will not be considered or optimized for. Okay, so right now I'm going to give it as link clicks, because I want to get more number of link clicks. So that is what my objective is. So I'm giving the instruction to Facebook that I want to optimize advertisement for link clicks. And cost control, this is optional. So what is the cost that we are interested in providing the Facebook if you are running a link click advertisement? Right now I'm going to choose the option 2.5 rupees. So each link click I'm ready to pay 2.5 rupees for Facebook. Okay, so not more than that. And what is the daily budget? Daily budget is 200 rupees. Okay, so here I have the option for daily budget, or might be the lifetime budget. I can choose any of the option from this particular particular ad set. So right now I'm going to use the daily budget, and daily I'm ready to pay 500 rupees for Facebook. Okay, once I change the budget, the number of clicks will also be changed, and number of total impressions will also be changed. Okay, so right now I'm going to use the run my advertisement ad set continuously starting from today. So I'm not going to give any end date currently. So every day it is going to be taken 500 rupees till I'm going to pass the Facebook advertisement. Okay, done. So you will be spending no more than 3,500 per week. It says, on an average, on a max, 3,500 will be maximum spent, and every day it will be an average of 500. One day might be 450, one day might be 550. Okay, so payment. So what is the payment that I will be totally charged? One is the total ad budget that I had configured, which is 3,500, and then what is the estimated tax, which is 18 percentage from the value that I'm going to spend for the budget. So total of 630 rupees, including the service tax, I will be paying 4,130 rupees for a single week. Okay, for the advertisement that I'm going to run. So after seeing all these details, I'm going for the continue option. Okay, so here I have the option to create a ad title. Okay, so what is the title that I'm going to give? I'm going to give as traffic ads. Okay, then identity, I had chosen the Facebook and Instagram advertisement. So for you, you have to add a new Facebook page while you are going to create a advertisement.
Hello.
Yes, Vinay.
So where is Instagram and Facebook is the option is coming?
Vinay, actually, I had already added the Facebook, and here is the place. Facebook page and Instagram page I had already added to the account, so it is directly displaying to me. For you, you have to add a Facebook page first with your user profile. Then after, you have to add that Facebook page from this drop down option. Okay, so in the drop down option, you will be seeing the Facebook page that you have to add after you had successfully become an admin of the page from your user profile. Okay, done.
Okay.
So okay, so after this identity, I have the option to create multiple formats of ads. So what are the formats? Carousel, single image and video, collections, video, and then other is the collection. So right now I'm going to create a single image advertisement. So I have chosen this single image and moving it to the next step. So I'm at the place of media. So this is the place where we will be creating we will be adding the images. Okay. So for adding an image to the advertisement, what we have to do is we have to click this add media option, then add image. So in this add image, whatever the images that we have for the account default will be shown here. If it is not required, we can go for this upload option from where, I can able to choose a particular image from the desktop and I can able to add it. Okay, so the preferred image size is 1080 into 1080. That is the optimal size which we can able to use it for a quick ad creation, which can able to adopt for many of the placements. Okay, so I had chosen an image here and I had given the continue option. So I had chosen two images, which is not required. I have to create only one image anyway. Okay, add one. There are totally 13 placements that are using this image. Okay, so these are the placements that has been used by this particular image, and that is a good amount of placements that I can able to run with this single image. Okay, I can similarly I can configure separate images for all the 13 placements. Might not be required. Okay, so done. So after this, what I'm going to do is this is the primary text area. I'm going to give the option some of the descriptions which I want to be added. Descriptions which I require to be added to the advertisement. So this is the place that I will be getting the description, and then this is the headline part. So where I can able to configure whatever the title that I'm looking for. I can able to add here. So chat on WhatsApp.
Hello.
Yes, Vinay.
Today, how many bird can write here?
How many?
Description required. How many bird here later?
How many letters we can able to add? That's what your question.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, for the primary text, you can able to add even four paragraphs, five paragraphs. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, and headline, we can add, but usually it will be having some character, limitations when we are going to run in the mobile advertisement. So it will be advised to create a maximum of 15 characters for the headline. Okay. For
Okay.
the mobile as well as for the desktop, we can able to completely show the headline. So it's an optional, but still it is good to use this headline. So I'm going to use the option headline as mm, digital marketing service. Okay, done. So here I have the details and descriptions. I can give some descriptions which will be shown here. Okay. Okay, so the destination, it is going to be website, and what is the website name that I can able to add? https slash. Okay, done. Display advertise, display link optional, else we can give some display link here. Okay, done. Then call to action, I had chosen the learn more option. Similarly, I can able to create anything, any option here, like from download, get offer, get quote, sign up, whichever is we are interested, we can able to get here. So I'm seeing this first, send WhatsApp message as a first time option, which is available in this click through button. So let me to check it out. If I choose a send WhatsApp message, what is the thing that I have? As the direct to WhatsApp can be created after several weeks of following the policies. Not a problem. So right now I'm going to use learn more options.
Hello.
Yes, Vinay.
So can I here choose sign up?
Sign up.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Then I want to see what will change.
Sign up. I could not. Okay, okay. You want to. Okay, you want the call to actions to be sign up.
Yes,
Done.
yes, yes.
Done. So if you choose the sign up option, similarly the text will be changed to sign up.
So there, how can I feel like this?
It will be looking like a button. When people click the sign up, it
No,
will
no.
directly take
That,
them.
sir, it's okay. Here is sign up is okay. So suppose you are like na put the ad on Facebook. I am watching your ad. Okay, here option is same. So suppose
Okay.
I click on the sign up, then which interface, which type of the interface will come?
It will not have any interface. It will directly take to the website.
Only website here, sign up. Not
Yes.
like you give the like name or mobile number, email ID here.
No, those things will not be available here because we had chosen the option website traffic.
Okay. And
Okay.
what can choose then means so.
If you want to take the name, phone number, and email, etc., then you have to choose the leads option, lead generation option.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
All
Thank you.
right, that's great. That's great, Vinay. Okay, so call to action is sign up. After that, let us scroll down, and here we have a lot of options for conversion tracking, Facebook pixel, etc., etc. This is not the right time. We will be seeing these things a little later. So after this, complete configurations. Let us have a review and then go for the confirm option. So what are the details that we had provided? We had created everything is here. Then we have to choose the confirm option to create the advertisement. Okay. So right now I'm not going to create this advertisement because it's for the demo purpose. So it will be done from your side while you given the confirm option. It will be showing in dialog box. Thank you for creating the advertisement, and the advertisement will be ready and it will be available in the ads manager. Okay, so in the ads manager we can able to see the advertisements what we had created. The reason why I had not given the confirm is Facebook is so critical. What it will happen, we can't able to say. Once we given the confirm option, immediately the ads will go for the review, and if we make any mistake or something, Facebook will block our account. Okay, they will not be thinking of anything. And similarly, while it is going for the review or something, Facebook might say that the ad cannot be delivered because of some reasons. Okay, so this is what usually Facebook can able to make some harmfulness for us, so we have to be cautious about what we are doing. Not a problem if it is blocked. We have to create a new Facebook page account, and we have to create a new ads manager account. From there we have to run an advertisement. So that's what it had happened for me as well. My account has been blocked for after second time. This is the third time. I'm using multiple ads manager account for me for multiple businesses, so I will be always having a backup account, so that if something happens, I will immediately go to the other platform and I will start running the advertisements. Okay, so that the business will not be stopped. Okay, so once it is done, I will be having the campaigns, whatever that I had created, and inside that I will be having the ad sets, and inside that whatever the ad that I had created, those detail will be here. Okay, all right. So we had seen about how to create an advertisement in Facebook successfully with all the options. I mean, with the minimal options that we can able to configure for which are related to the business. Okay, all right. So let us do one thing. We will try to create a Facebook Ads Manager account, and once we created an Ads Manager account, we will try to explore the Facebook advertisement, part. And I'm not sure that we can able to complete this Facebook ad creation within the next available time. So we will do one thing. We will configure the campaigns and ad set if it is possible, and wherever we left, we will continue from the next session. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's time now. So please share your screen, and I will be giving you the step-by-step instructions on how to create a Facebook ads. And to say it in short, what you have to do is you have to log in into the Facebook account with your personal profile ID, username, and password, which is having the admin access for the business page that you are running. Okay, so for the which is having the admin access for the business business Facebook page that you are having. You have to log in with that profile account. So once you had logged in into the Facebook account, then I had shared you the link in this Google Meet comments section, chat section. So open that particular link, and from there, I will be guiding you how to log in and how to create the Facebook advertisement. All right. Okay, so let me to pass my screen now.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Vinay.
Sir, Facebook ad manager is different, Facebook manager is different, or both are same?
Facebook Business Manager is different. Facebook Ads Manager is different.
Okay.
Vinay, we will go for the Facebook Ads Manager. The link has been shared already with you in the chat section.
Okay, okay.
And others as well, please share your screen so that we will start, working on how to create a Facebook advertisement.
Can you send me again, sir, on chat?
Yes, I will be sharing you one more time. Okay, Samir and Nazreen, please share your screen so that we will start working on creating the Facebook advertisement. Okay, when I click the Go to Ads Manager option,
Go to here.
yes, Nazreen and Samir, any difficulties?
No, I've opened my Facebook account. So
Okay,
I need to go to the ads manager from here.
yes. So you have to click the. You can use the link which has been shared in the chat, and from that link, you can directly go to the Facebook Ads Manager login location. From there, you can log in.
Okay.
Okay.
So here is create option is not coming.
It will come. For that you have to choose the account option. In the account you can able to see Vinay Kumar. Please click the option which is Vinay Kumar.
This one. Sorry, can you send me the link? What do I need to type on that?
Okay, sure, Samir. I think I had shared you in the chat option of Google Meet. Let me to share you one more time. Vinay, please go back, browse back in your, browse back from your browser. Okay. In the center of the screen, left hand side, you can able to see a title mentioned as account. Below that, you can able to see type, text which is mentioned as Vinay Kumar. Please click that one.
This one or this one? This one.
Yes, Vinay, that is the one. Okay. And
Here is create.
yes, so Dr. Vinay, please click the create option. So how about Samir and Nazreen? Shall we enable the screen? Okay, Dr. Vinay. So right now you can close this dialog box, which is how do you want to create advertising campaign. Done. So please click the create option. Okay. So I think okay. So select the option which is select guided creation. Yes. You can close this one. Okay, Vinay. So
Then
choose the
here traffic
option
man.
traffic. Scroll a bit down. Scroll down. Okay, hold on. There is an option called campaign spending limit, set a limit. So click the set a limit option and give some value in the campaign spending limit.
The campaign budget.
Vinay, in the lower,
Hello.
in the below session, you can able to see campaign spending limit. Nearby that, you can able to see set a limit optional.
Where is this side?
Okay.
Left side.
Vinay, let me to guide you. Uh, in the area, can you able to see there is a continue button is there?
Yes, yes, yes.
Below the continue button,
Optimize.
below the continue button,
Set a limit. Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. Got it.
Give some campaign budget here.
Here is okay.
Minimum is 5,000, so you can set something above 5,000.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can click the continue option. Okay, so you can give a ad set name here. Okay, now you can scroll down.
In dynamic creation,
Scroll a bit down. Okay, so in this audience segment, location, choose the location that you want to run the advertisement.
where location, no?
Vinay, you can able to see a word
Yes.
called locations. In the location option, in the text box,
Okay.
you can write yes. Click the edit option.
And here, what should write here? Custom audience.
There is nothing to be written there. We can leave it blank.
Okay.
And in the India, you can use, there will be a close option will be there, close India, so that we can run only to the location that we are targeting for. Yes, there's a crossbar, close kind of option is there. Give the close. Done. Now you can select the option Zirakpur, command, etc.
In browse.
Now you can type it as Zirakpur, comma, your city.
Okay.
No, I think you had to give something better. You can simply give Zirakpur. It will show the options. Okay, so you can able to see something below. If it is something I don't know what is this Zirakpur, it might be a location or might be some.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, please give that option. So right now you're going to target 2 kilometers surrounding the VIP road, Zirakpur.
Here, how much kilometer can I expand this one?
You can expand as much you want.
30 kilometer now.
80 kilometers, no problem.
Okay. This is radius 90 kilometer.
Yes, radius 80 kilometers.
Suppose I want to go through map, then it is possible.
Uh, want to go through map. I mean,
No, just I want a like circle type of dark circle type, na, then no like a periphery area.
okay. So you can click the zoom in option to see that.
Drop in is what is
You can zoom out and you can use your uh, mouse to click and drag the map.
drag the
Drag the map. Zoom out.
okay.
Zoom out.
Is not coming.
Zoom out.
Yes, nothing coming.
Zoom out, Vinay.
Yes, I am clicking, but not happen, sir.
Vinay, you click the zoom
Zoom.
out option.
Okay, okay, zoom out. Okay, okay. This one.
Hold on. Okay. Drag the maps in such a way that the tick mark is
Sorry.
going to come in the center position,
Yeah.
not the pointer. Drag the map.
Where?
uh, Click somewhere and drag the map to the center. Done.
Okay.
Keep it in the center so that if we zoom, we can able to zoom it to the location.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. I got it. Some idea.
Okay.
Like this, you know.
Yes.
That's actually I want to say.
Yes. Done, Vinay. Let us go to the next option.
This is age group, no?
Yes. So the next one is age category. Click the
Yeah.
edit age option to edit the age.
Maximum is 65 plus.
Yes, you can give whatever the age category that you are looking for.
Okay. Okay. Then gender, all
Uh,
gender already.
if it is all genders, then it is not a problem. If you want to target male
Okay.
and
Then we
female,
go to
then all genders. Then let us go to the detailed targeting option. So give the
delete
edit
now.
option, and here uh, give the option that people are looking for, like your people who the people of your audience are interested in.
Here keyboard.
Not keyword, something like they are into. Like for an example, who are your targeted audience? So they will be. You can type it as autism or hearing aids, something like
Okay.
that.
Okay. Okay. Heading. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. This is keyboard.
Okay. So there are no audience who are directly looking for hearing aids, but you can give something like you can delete the hearing aids and you can type it as hearing. You will be getting some options. Type hearing. Okay. Scroll down. There is an option called hearing test is option. One is option is there. Then we have noise induced hearing loss is also there, and then action on hearing loss. These options are there. Okay. So and then one more is I can hear your voice. Okay, that is not required. So these are the things which are available. You can choose the audience who are uh, who are somewhat having the similar interest. You can choose uh, something like hearing test.
So only one option or
You can
can
create
suggest
multiple.
more.
You can create multiple.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
You can click the option noise induced hearing loss, which might be some of the search terms I think they might be searching for. Or else you can give something more as well, autism or anything. Hi Nazreen, I'm sorry I could not able to hear you anything. Yes, autism awareness is there. Autism treatment center of America is not required. Or otherwise you can give it as autism treatment or anything. Or simply autism classroom is there. Ostracism awareness is there.
Okay, I got it. This one.
Done. Then scroll a bit
Okay.
down. Okay. We shall have it as automatic placement itself. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Save this audience.
Save this audience. Okay, you can give the save this audience option. Okay. So the audience name you can give something else. Vinay Kumar. Anything can do. Done. So right now you are in the budget and scheduling option. So budget and
Okay.
scheduling daily budget. Give some budget.
Okay. Now start and end it.
Yes, if you want to give a start date and end date, you can give.
Okay. Then continue.
Uh, yes, then continue.
So I heard means Facebook social media. So after 12 p.m. is beneficial.
Okay, so you're asking, yes, after 12 p.m., you might not require to run the advertisement. For that, you have to choose the lifetime option. Right now we had chosen the daily option. Okay, so Vinay, we will do one thing.
No, no,
Uh, yes, Vinay, I understood. Okay.
no. Actually,
Uh-huh.
my question is no.
Uh-huh.
Every digital media who is doing like na company digital media company or shop,
Mm-hmm.
we are placing ad after like in 1 a.m. in night. So what is the
Mm.
advantage?
I'm sorry, can you come again one more time? Can you say one more time?
Every ad put in the night. Every ad means every Facebook ad put in night like 1 a.m. After means after 12 p.m. Is there any logic behind it?
Uh, Not like that, Vinay. It is completely our option whether we have to run the advertisement late night or morning. It's completely up to us. Usually, nighttime, any of the organizations will pass the advertisement, and some might run the advertisement because the competition is less. It depends upon the advertisement that they are interested in, the advertisers that they are interested in.
Maybe because people get up in the morning, so सबसे first thing they do is look at the Facebook. So
Okay.
maybe they do it at night. Could be
First,
the reason. That's I'm just adding on actually.
okay, okay. Of course,
So that's no,
Sahil.
actually, yeah, means some person come to my means clinic and he told me, sir, we are like wake up, means late night and we are posting in night time. So this is very challenging job like this. That's why I
Okay.
am asking to you. Any
Uh-huh.
logic behind it?
I mean, Vinay, there is no big logics. Usually, from my observation, the ads which are running on the late evening, they will be much highly cost effective. That is one thing. And there are some other reasons like the competition will not be there, and usually when people who choose to run the advertisement daily, their advertisement will be running all the 24 hours. Their advertisement will start by 12 o'clock in the midnight. So if they set a budget of 1500 rupees, for example, it will start from midnight of 12 o'clock. So from 12 o'clock after, their advertisements will be started. By next day morning 3 o'clock, their budget will be expired. So again, it will start from the late night of 12 o'clock. So for this reason, you might seen a lot of advertisements after 12 o'clock. Um, But it is not like I can't able to say completely about what is the benefit of when you promote some advertisements in the morning, the audience will be different. When you promote in the evening, the audience will be different. That will be definitely happen. For an example, it is like evening. If we move to the bus stop, bus stand, we can able to see a lot of college students and office work, office employees. But morning, if you go to the bus stand, you can see a lot of business people and people who are doing some field jobs. So that is the difference between the day and night or any time.
Okay, okay, thank you. Yeah, then
Okay,
after,
so yes, that's why. Yes, okay, okay. Vinay, we will do one thing. We will save this image. We will save this advertisement here, and from here we will continue by tomorrow. Is that fine, Vinay?
okay, fine, fine.
Done, Vinay. Because we have some settings and ad creation, image uploading, and everything is there. You might face some difficulties as well. So let us continue from here tomorrow. Okay, and hopefully, even if you close the advertisement, it will ask you to continue from the same location. You can give the same continue from the same location so that you can create the advertisement. Okay, else if you want to, and it's fine, I think better we can continue tomorrow so that we all can able to create the advertisement at the same time. Fine, Vinay. Okay, let us continue this ad chapter from tomorrow. And for any quick questions or something that I want to explain, you can ask right now. For
Sir, actually, I am going out of a station for a week.
You are going out of the space for a week.
Yeah, yeah, out of a station for 1 week.
Okay, no problem, Vinay. Then you can come back after a week and then you can continue. So when you will be coming back?
If possible, then I will try for 1st July.
Okay, you are going by 1st July.
No, no, going from tomorrow
Okay.
morning.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, you will not be available for
So,
1 week.
means I will come. Yes, maybe.
Okay.
Because there is, I think, a remote area, na? So net is also not, and laptop I am not carrying. So just carrying only mobile.
Okay, fine, Vinay. So one thing is, if it is possible, try to use the mobile phone using the Hangout. You can able to join. I think even 2G can able to do better. You can
Okay.
learn the class. If it is not possible, then I think you can continue the same thing by next month as well during the same duration. If you can't able to continue for this
Okay.
1 week, okay. Else,
Okay.
we will find a time. If it is possible, we can find a day, Saturday or something. If it is possible, we can able to, or this the recorder session will be available,
Okay.
so not a problem. I can share you the recorder session. Okay, so you have a view on this recorded session, and if possible, we will try to find out the day. Even might be on Sunday. So there is some question and answer session is there. So you can join during that session so that you can cover up all these elements that we had missed out.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
fine then. I think though. So then you are going to join for the email marketing only. Uh, okay, Vinay, you are you sure? Are you confirmed that you are going to move from tomorrow or
Tomorrow morning.
tomorrow morning? Okay, Vinay, fine then. Not
Yes, yes.
not an issue. You go and come back and update me in WhatsApp, and from there, we will take it forward. Okay, we will find the missed
Okay.
days through one or the other way. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you
All
so
right,
much.
Vinay. All right, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, Nazreen. I think. Sure, Samir. Just a minute. Hi, hi,
This
hi.
issue,
Yes, Samir.
like in the advertisement, no,
I'm sorry.
the advertisement which comes broke. Can you hear me?
Yes, Samir. Right now I can hear you.
Okay, so I just was a little inquisitive. In beyond below the ad, there's something called sponsored written on it,
Uh-huh.
right? So it comes on every ad, like uh, for example, what we are doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
When we put our own ad, so will it
Okay.
to the customer or the person using the Facebook? Will the word
Yes.
sponsored come
Yes, Samir. Yes, Samir. That is
niche?
true. Whatever the advertisement that Facebook shows, it will definitely come with a sponsored tag.
Okay, that's just out of curiosity. I wanted to know
Okay,
because I
okay.
see a lot of these ads coming now, so
Uh-huh.
that's why.
Sure, Samir. Whatever the advertisement that we are going to run, it will have a sponsored tag. And one more thing is when some of the advertisements shows with the sponsored tag, audience people of Facebook will trust have a better trust score in that particular post. The reason is all the groups, all the places, all the people are making some post. When some post has been mentioned as sponsored, the audience of Facebook will consider it as a paid advertisement, so that they will immediately start to find it as a business, and they will have a better trust score while they're going to go for some lead submission or anything, whatever they consider for. They will have a better
Okay,
what to say the better they will be giving a
got
better
it,
importance for the advertisement which are mentioned in sponsored tag.
got it.
Okay. Okay. I'm so sorry, Nazreen. I
हाँ,
think there are a lot of.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
Oh,
give me a yes, Samir. Give me a minute. So I'm so sorry, Nazreen. I think there are a lot of problem. I think from for today might be the mic problem and the network issue. We will speak on call and we will try to find out what we can do. Fine, Nazreen. Okay. Anyway, I could not able to hear anything from Nazreen. Okay, Samir. So anything else, or shall we meet by tomorrow? Samir, is there anything else, or shall we meet by
I'll try
tomorrow?
this thing at home.
Sure,
Yeah,
Samir.
don't
Sure,
worry.
sure.
I'll just do try these things and
Okay.
no, it's okay. Perfectly fine. No problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
then. Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Fine,
Bye.
Samir. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.